Hey YouTube, Vermont Prepper. As you can see, it's about -5 degrees out right now. And I'm actually going to be taking the military blazer out for a little spin. It's snowing. And hopefully you'll get to see some of the snow as it's coming down here. Maybe some of the lights give you a contrast there. There you go, you can see it. Have it warming up. It started up right away. I had it, of course, plugged in, and this year I haven't had any issues with it, and I think I know the reason why. Over the summer I put a insulating foam underneath the hood, and it was actually meant to be a dampener for sound. But it turns out that I believe this dampener, it's about 1 inch thick, it just stuck right underneath the hood, and I think it's helping keeping the fuel filter warm enough so that the diesel doesn't freeze. I haven't used any anti-gel or heat for the gas lines at all this year. Last year I went through a ton of it and it didn't make any difference. It just froze up. It froze up about 3 or 4 times, and that's the only real difference between last year and this year. Take that back. I put a new radiator in, but that really has nothing to do with starting the engine. So I really feel that that insulating foam, and I'll put a link to it in this video if you guys own one of these things or own another CUCV, you can put it in there and see if that helps you guys out. I think it helped me out, so hopefully it'll help you guys too. Alright, we're already in 4-wheel drive. As you can see, that light is kind of bright. I put an LED in there. I'm probably going to change it out. But we're in 4-wheel drive right now. And let's take it out. We're having probably about 6 to 10 inches of snow out here. Taking down one of the back roads here for you. Pretty smooth in the snow. Really no issues, never got stuck. I have a 8,500 pound winch that's hitch mounted in the front, and I actually want to do something a little different. I want to get a hitch mount they have on eBay. It's about $350 and you weld it. It's made specifically for this vehicle or any other CUCV that has the brush guard in the front, and it gets welded to the vehicle, and it fits really nice. At least it looks like it's pretty nice. And I think I want to put a 24 volt winch on there because it'll draw less current as you're using it. It won't run down the battery as much. So that's what I'm going to do probably next year, as well as, or this year maybe, as well as turbo it and put in some axles from an M1009 with the track lock in the front and the Detroit locker in the rear. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing with this thing. Again, Drives great the way it is, but I want a little bit more power. This thing is a beast already, and real head turner. It's in great shape. So I want to continue with the upgrading of it. I have a couple other videos if you guys are interested to see some of the other things I've done. I've done quite a bit, so go check it out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Anyway, Vermont Prepper out. Appreciate you guys checking this video out. Take care.